First you have to create a frame and rename the frame and give it a color, and now create a rectangle with a specific size and create the corners into rounded. Also add an circle to that, give it a color, move them to the left end, add a text, also move the text to the right end. We just have to make them into the group and rename the group into off toggle. Now we just have to create a component. In property section you can see variant here, click on that. You can see a plus icon below, click on that to create another variant. Move the circle to the right end and also move the text to the left end. So give it other color to the circle and rename the text. Click on the prototype section and click an object. You can see a arrow popping from that, and drag them to the other variant. While doing that you can see some options has been popping, and click the second variant. You can see a blue plus icon. While clicking that you can see the arrow popping, and drag the arrow to the mother variant and name the two variants to on and off. We are done with the design system and prototyping. Just move the component out of the frame, and in asset sections you can see the component, place them to the frame. You can do prototype now, and that's it.